improving the way your teams communicate with each other. The way that we do that is WhatsApp. So you just want to have an instant messenger. We're looking right now, maybe move into Slack. You get some benefits by using Slack for these types of things as well. But you want to have a way that everyone can easily communicate. Within WhatsApp, we have groups. So each team has a group where it's the 3 people on the team plus their team manager and a customer service person in the office, customer experience person in the office. There's an all company group that has everybody. We make big announcements there. We do positive feedback. We tell people you got a good review. Here's what they said. Or when someone lived the values, we congratulate them publicly. We give them public feedback like that. And all that happens in one central place, whether it's WhatsApp or Slack or whatever. You want a communications platform.
Yeah, and like Brandon said, all of our teams are broken up. Team 1, Team 2, like they can all talk to the office, and that's all separated. There's a company chat, so we can do a whole message of the whole company. There's chats with just the leadership team or just the marketing guy. So set it up however you want. But this, I feel like, is a game changer because it's centralizing your communication. It's not all over the place. Everybody knows where to see the messages. It's constant throughout the day, especially as your teams are cleaning. Yes. Constant feedback loop. Should we clean this? Should we send a video?
Yeah, that part's really important because when they're in that cleaning group, they all have their phones. They have their personal phones on it. We're not giving them devices. You say like, hey, heads up, your next house, the dog's home. Don't open this room or whatever. And that way all 3 people got it simultaneously and you didn't have to have one person run around and tell the other 2. It's just all instantaneous.
It's instant, and you have your team manager just doing that all day, relaying messages, helping the teams get in and out houses so you're more efficient.
It's almost like an instant messenger, if you will. That's why they called it that, because it happens instantaneously.